Okay, we are already online. Now, after creating an instance, what we are going to do is we verify that the VM instance we are just creating is creating both region, and we can access their HTTP site. Um, it's supposed to be we are on the Europe. This one's supposed to be on Europe, and this one's supposed to be on US. But why not just creating this game? I'm not going to create that in this way. I'm sorry, because it's already being used. Now let's just ignore this and check the external IP for this instance, game instance. Here, by clicking this, tada, tada. Huh, I'm sorry. Here, location US is B, US West 1A. So this is supposed to be another region, but because I'm wrong, because I misclicked the here instant group. If you want to read more, no, we're done, right? Okay, it's um uh, 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 um now we're going to configure our HTTP load balancer. First, we have our own HTTP load balancer here. Load balancing here. Service load balancing, and we are creating load balancer. Create load balancer. We are creating HTTPS load balancer. Well, you can see here we can create TCP load balancing and UDP load balancing. HTTP load balancer. Backend configuration. And then we create backend bucket and create backend bucket, right? We name it HTTP backend um, instance group. Wait a minute, this is wrong. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be backend and instance group. We are going to use the US is MIC one. MIC is managed instance group. Remember that. Balancing mode. Right. LPS maximum LPS is 15. LPS capacity is just leave this as default. Port number 18. And we're done. We're done. LPS is request per second. Sorry, I haven't explained that. Which means it just maximum maximum FPS is 50 per second. If the request is below that, then it's going to if the request is above 15 per second, then it's going to doing the load balance, right? Click down and done. Head back and Eastern Group Europe West Mid. Also same, we are going to use no utilization. Capacity is 100% and done. The configuration that configuration means that load balancer attempt to keep its instant of the Europe West 1 mid instant repair is below 18 CPU utilization. Now we are done. Health check, quit health check. Because we already made for firewall rules for HTTP health checks. Now we can use that HTTP health check. Protocol TCP port 18, blah, 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 everything. Just leave it like that. Continue. Great. Oh well, we're done. Configure the front end. We're going to leave this as it is. IPv4 ephemeral. Uh, yeah, done. Just we'll just it like this. Done. Okay. No. Add one more with using IPv6, and we're done. Now let's see this review, which is just a summary of what you have configured in here. Review backend. This took a while for the backend service to fully loaded, not fully loaded, I don't know why everything is loading here. Let's health status. Oh, now you're done. Now you're done. We can not create this yet. Well, I guess we can. Our load balancer. Just right here. Hooray. Uh, Took a while for creating this. Right now, let's check our VM engine, VM instance here. Now we are creating a VM for purposefully testing our load balancer. Sleep VM. Closer to our server. It's probably better. Create VM instance. Given that US West 1 closer to US. We are yes, just bring this. I forgot which let's just reopen. No, I can't open. I want to actually reopen. I forget which server I'm putting or balancer. Yes, just leave it there. If this our tester here or VM for brute forcing or load balancer is closer to which server, and it's going to be take the closest route, and yeah, just like that. Just see. Now we're creating this. Wait a minute, and we're going to SSA this machine in a second. Our video is 9 minutes, but it's going to finish I don't want to split this video anymore. Oh, open browser. Now we install the application called Siege. 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 Sorry. Now let's store the IP address of our load balancer in something called load balancer IP. Uh, so wait a minute, because I forgot our load balancer IP. Network service load balancing. Hey. Um, I want to see our load balancer IP address is here, I believe. um, Sorry, just let's do this. Then, let's just open this. No. Why this is not working? That's we haven't tested our adventure. Hmm. Wait a minute. Ah, here we go. This is our adventure working. Now what I'm going to do is to brute force this one. Sick. HTTPS. Why it is not found? This should be working. By like this. Let's click on load balancing, and with let's see traffic director. No, actually no. And click open here and the backend. Monitor the front end and the backend. this. Let's just say this is working. Huh. Um, this you can see this is fake. This is this is supposed to be US, but because of the where this is our instance or our VM is on US West one, then all the traffic is redirected to this group instance. I suppose to making this easier, but yeah, that's just pretty much it. That's how load balancer work. Um, let's stop this. Well, our load balancer working. Now we are making a security policy for preventing something like this happen. Is by creating now going to VM instance, and we are going to note our external IP here. Let's just copy somewhere. Copy here. And we are going to in the network security class. Security. Where is security? Networking. Security. Put armor. I hear what I'm talking about. We are creating policy for blacklisting blacklist blacklisting siege because default rule below property add more rules add policy how to add more rules description let's just copy this action deny status forbidden enable no run next step we just specifically ban this IP with the insert I can say okay this target policy is basically which target that are we are applying to this rule we are applying to and we are targeting our HTTP or load balancer done create policy what's need to be to show um policy okay now we are creating our policy now we are going to trying to see if we still have access to this And yes, of course it's still, but it's not yet implemented. Let's do it again. Okay, gradual. See, um, hmm, see, I even got blocked from this. I have been blocked from this. Gradual. Your IP address. Yes, we cannot access this right now. Let's try seek. Um, now if we if see from here, and if you pulse log, now we are here. We are here. Uh, see, this is this is my IP. This is our VM IP. Um, this is our VM IP, I believe. No, it's not. Mm, security code on basic logs. We policy log, log entry, and we expand HTTP request. Which one is HTTP request? Wait a minute. Click the message. Um, logs view policy log. Expand log entry. And here. Oh, sorry. Um, expand JSON payload. Uh, hmm. Wait a minute. We are specifically search for this one. Um, Breakly seeds. Accept. Huh. Yes, this is should be denied. Yes, this one denied. So yes, our policy working. Um, uh, there's still something wrong, which I will show you. Okay, this one. review only. See. See, better also giving more seeds and if possible and let's just uh, listen to what enforce basic here. This is not the newest one. The newest one should be here action configuration. It's will state deny and the name like this and the outcome is deny. It's the newest one should be. Let me just find this. Mm, what's the newest one? Here. Why? I don't know why this still like this, but yeah, this is show that my IP cannot. My IP was totally blacklisted from here. Invalid argument. I can't even ping this. I can't ping Google. See, my IP totally get banned from, or it's still banned from Float Armor here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. This video is too long. Bye. Bye.